Okay, I just want to show you a product. This isn't a paid advertisement or anything. I've bought this with my own money, and actually, to be honest, I've bought two of them with my own money. They are really good, very handy, and handy size as well. I didn't think it'd work, to be fair. Just a bag there. We've got the charging lead. Whoops. Some valves for footballs and so on. So that's the charging lead, and another adapter for the inflator. So let's just put that there. Put them in the bag so I don't lose them. So as I say, my other tyre inflator that I've got is like almost the size of a suitcase. And I used to keep that in the back of my car. Then I saw these, and I didn't think they'd be any good, but I think they're about 40 quid. They're on offer sometimes. So I ordered one, and I was really surprised when it came and I used it, because it's such a good size. It's so handy. We had a car that we'd lent to a customer, and there's a flat tyre, and when we went out to it, I'd just got this in the boot, and it blew it up completely from flat to the proper pressure. I can't praise it high enough. So that's the size. Once you attach this to the valve of your tyre, it tells you the pressure in the tyre, so you've no need for a tyre gauge either. It's just in one unit. You can set here, you see there, that's on car at the moment, like so, and set that where you want it. At the top here as well, you can see that's changing from PSI to bar to kPa, kg per km squared, back to PSI, which is what I'd use. The bottom one here, car. Gosh, I don't know what that is. Look, from here it looks like a horse. Bicycle, football, or and then here you can see you set the tyre pressure. Once you've got the correct pressure, it's fastened up, you just click like so. Then that will keep pumping till it reaches the desired tyre pressure, or whatever it is you're blowing up, and then just switch off. When I'm going out on my mountain bike, I always take one of these with me as well. It's brilliant, and it'll just fit, you know, in your rucksack or whatever, and take up no space. I can really recommend it. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to buy one. If you do buy one using my link, I will get a commission from Amazon, but it won't cost you any more money. I've not been paid by the manufacturers of these to say it's good. It is good. I used it, and I've bought two. Thanks for watching.